Hello, I'm Antonieta Contreras, an approved consultant, EMDR, and to honor clients with multicultural backgrounds in general, or from Spanish speaking countries in particular, I begin by liberating them from the confines imposed by colonizing cultures. I refrain from labeling them as Hispanic, Latinx, or any of those designations imposed without regard for the richness of their individual cultural heritages. Hispanoamerica comprises at least 20 distinct and unique countries. Therefore, I use curiosity and a genuine interest in their personal and ancestral cultural backgrounds, encouraging them to freely articulate how they perceive themselves, how they prefer to be identified, and how their relationship with their heritage evolves within the American context versus through the lens of their own culture or their families, assisting them in reclaiming ownership of their identity and establishing an authentic connection or acknowledging its absence with their cultural background is an immensely potent resource. I guide them in fortifying their identity, which may or may not align with their parents' background. I reinforce, install, or aid them in discovering pride in what they identify as their own, empowering their voice, and fostering positive sentiments related to the freedom to choose their identity in connection with their Latin American roots. Thank you.